Hello Dabarkads, once again this is Eric Mata of Ekong Tech. Lately I had been doing a lot of Bluetooth wireless speaker using this audio module, the small one, using it in a small speaker, but I haven't been tried to use it in a big powerful speaker like this. So in this video I will try to use this small audio module like this one. This is the one that I've been using on those project, the wireless Bluetooth speaker. So what my project for tonight is, I want to put this one inside of this speaker, and I will make it like built-in amplifier with the Bluetooth. But it's not gonna be wireless. It's still wired. But let's see if it's gonna work like what I'm thinking, because I'm thinking that it's gonna be loud because it's a big speaker. But let's see if this one can handle this speaker. So if you are new to my channel, before I build this one, please don't forget to click subscribe and hit like and the notification bell so you will be updated on all my videos. Thank you very much. So first I have to open this speaker. So I can put the audio module inside. So let's see. This is gonna be an easy build because I just have to install the audio module inside and connect the power supply in it, and that's it. Okay, so next I'm gonna be removing the speaker. Okay, I'm gonna take the speaker out. So as you can see in this module, there's a outlet number 1 and outlet number 2. These are for the speakers. You can put 2 speakers, and then this one is the ground and BCC, which is the positive of the power supply, and then the negative of the power supply. So what I will do right now is to put the wire in here, and then to the speaker outlet, and then connect the speaker outlet to this big speaker, and connect the 12 volts power supply in here. Let's go build it, guys. Just watch me and I'll build it. So I'm gonna be using only one speaker, so I'm just gonna use the left side. I will leave this one empty. So I will use this brown as the positive of the speaker. So look like red to me, so it's brown. Okay. Next is the power supply. I will connect green to ground, and the green white to positive of the power supply, and that's it. So this is the speaker, guys. So the only thing I have to do is put connection. Brown is positive, so Okay, connection to the speaker is done, and next one will be the power supply. So what I did is I'll just put a hole in here, so it's like I will use it like this 12-volt power supply to insert here. Right there. Like that. And then connect this. Okay, so what I'm thinking is I'm gonna put this module in here on this side. Okay. Where's the speaker? Touching. Yeah. Two. I'm gonna put the speaker back now. Okay. Now, last is the speaker connection. Okay. And this one. So, just connect the wire from the module and the wire from the power supply, and then secure it from losing by soldering it. And that's it. You just have to cover this one and tape it, and that's it. And this one is negative, and the other one is positive. So once I'm done taping this, I'm gonna put it back and that's it. So I'm gonna tape it just to make sure that they're not gonna be touch each other and make a short circuit. If they do, my audio module will burn, and possibly my speaker as well. So I don't want that to happen, so I just secure it just like that. And we have a built-in amplifier with a powerful speaker. We just finished this project for just 10 minutes. And that's it. Now we're ready to try it. 12 volts power supply, audio module inside connected to the speaker, and that's it. Now let's see if this one will work. I will plug it in.
Bluetooth mode. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.